What's up guys, Thermador owner and before picture model Allan Chappelear here, and today we are meal prepping. Now, as a 41-year-old man, it takes a lot of work to look this average, which is why I'm using my Thermador 48-inch Pro Grand luxury range to make a bunch of healthy and delicious food I can eat all week. Today we'll be cooking tandoori chicken by the metric ton and exactly 1 forest worth of broccoli, topping it all off with a playful and herby yogurt sauce so we can eat deliciously while we sculpt our aging physiques. Let's get cooking. Now this recipe is really healthy, but what takes it from boring to blazing is the tandoori marinade, so that's where we're gonna start. First, we chop the garlic. Next, we're gonna peel and shape our ginger into a polygonal dodecahedron like this. Ginger is super healthy, tastes great, and it's great for circulation, digestion, and probably some other stuff that if you Google, it'll tell you. Now we got our lemon, from which we will extract the juice. I once heard rolling your lemons before you juice them releases more juice. I was taught this by an ancient culinary wizard named Rachel Ray. Squeeze my lemon! Now I'm gonna mix some of this yogurt with some of this lemon juice. Got notes of citrus with rotten milk, I think? Yogurt is what you call it here on Earth. And me too, because I'm also from Earth. We're looking for a not too thick, not too thin consistency before we add our spices and herbs. We've got turmeric, natural anti-inflammatory, coriander, keeps the evil spirits out of your brain, and crushed red pepper. Any crushed red pepper you have on hand will do. I have Aleppo, or you could even leave it out if you're a chicken. Now I'm gonna add all those in my yogurt. So I'm putting the garlic in, about 8 cloves, or 10, or 12, or 50. As much as you want. There's no rules here. This isn't school. Now I'm gonna add some olive oil and mix it all up. Add some more turmeric. You want that bright yellow color. Finish it off with a little salt and pepper. Boom! Pepper. Boom! I'm working on my catchphrases. What do you guys think of boom? What about kya? Now we're adding in the hot pepper, kya! Now grab your favorite Ziploc bag, dump a bunch of chicken and marinade in there, and give that chicken a rub down. Is that gross? Done. Psych. Broccoli. I'm chopping broccoli. You guys remember that? Can you imagine if you ate all this broccoli at once? You'd have some explaining to do. Now we're gonna be cooking the broccoli today in our steam oven. The steam oven has these great pre-programmed steam settings for vegetables, fish, poultry, etc. And look at this, broccoli florets. That's what I'm talking about. How many pounds? Call it 2 pounds. And just like that, follow the directions, place food in oven now. That didn't work like I wanted it to. While that's cooking, we're gonna make the sauce. Now we're just gonna give the fresh herbs a rough chop. Then we add all this to the yogurt with some of the spices we used in the marinade. Finish it off with some LJ. And you got yourselves a very playful yogurt sauce. This sauce is ready to play with some chicken. This is marinated, so let's get them on a pan and cook them up. Now, one of my favorite things about this range is it's absolutely massive. The main cavity is so big, New York and LA, you could probably get 3,000 bucks a month for rent in here. This oven has tons of different cook modes. Today we're using convection bake. Convection is great, especially for lots of chicken like this, because it circulates the heat throughout the oven, ensuring there's no cold spots or hot spots. Let's see how we're looking. Nice golden brown. Let's pull these out and get them portioned for the week. There you have it, a week's worth of healthy food in just about 30 minutes, allowing me more time to explore my true passion in life, doing email. Thanks, Thermador. Happy cooking.